Hello everyone and welcome to the new tutorial for the Rainbow Modloader. Today I'm going to explain the changes that I made to the new update and how to install mods, how to create them and all of that. First of all, we need the game. Technically, the Modloader works for any game made with SMBX2, but I have only tested it with Rainbow Stars. So we're going to use that game. We are going to go to the download site, and very important, I recommend using the full version, the one that includes the SMBX2. Basically, most mods are made with this version in mind, so if you're going to use mods and play them, I recommend downloading again the game just for having two separate folders, one with the base game and another with the mods. Okay, so you will have the zip, and if you extract it, you have this folder. This is the game, you can open it, this is the base game. The next thing that we're going to need is the Modloader itself. In the description, you will have this link, and you need to go to releases. Here. Now we're in alpha 1.2 because, well, it's the last version that I made. You're going to click it and download this zip. So you will have the zip, you extract it, and you have it here. When you open the folder, you need to open the star icon here. And when you open it, you will have this screen that welcomes you and says to select a folder of your game. So you click select, you go to your new SMBX2 plus Mario and the Rainbow Stars folder, and you hit select here in the same folder that has the launcher. So you hit select and it will say that no mods installed yet. So now we will need mods. If you want to download mods, you can go here in the Discord server for Super Mario and the Rainbow Stars, here in the mod sharing forum, and here you have lots of them. Lots of mods are here, and every one of them here, this for example, you have the RSM file, that is the file that you will need to install the mod. You just download the file and install it with the actions menu in the Modloader. Okay, so for example, my Cat Mario mod, we're going to actions install mod, and it will open this little thing. You will go to the folder that you have the file, the RSM. Here it is, and we're going to select it. For me, it has the WinRAR icon, but it should have no icon. When you select it, it will have a progress bar, and now you will see here the image, the name, the author, the version, and the game, the compatible. Just having installed here, if I open the game that I selected in the first screen of the Modloader, I will have this mod installed, and we have here the Cat Mario. So yeah, the mod works. You can see the game's a little laggy because my PC is like very bad. Luigi with Cat Mario. The only thing that changes is Mario, so it's very goofy. I literally don't remember how to play this game. I don't want to play with this mod anymore, so we hit uninstall, the progress bar, and now if I play the game, yeah, you can see that I have installed the mod, and now is basically the base game. Now what happens if I install a mod that changes something that other mod that I have installed changes? The Granddad mod. Well, so it will say that the both mods conflict. It will say here which mods conflict, and you can cancel the mod that you are trying to install, or you can install the mods that conflict and continue with the installment. Say that I want to uninstall the Cat Mario and have Granddad. And here we have it. If I play now, it will be Granddad. Also, if you have more than 3 mods, a little scroll bar will appear. Let's say I want to create a mod. Okay, for the example, I will use my Cat Mario mod, and you will need 2 things: an image for the icon, I don't have installed, and your data folder. The data folder is basically this folder, but it's not just copy and paste that folder. You will have data inside worlds and inside game, the game version that is compatible. And inside you will have all the files. Basically, it's like the root of every file that you want to change. Here, if I go to graphics and Mario, I have all of these files that have the Cat Mario. And if I go to data, worlds, Smear the Rainbow Stars, Demo 2, graphics, and Mario, I will have all the original files that I changed. You can see that these files are the Mario files, but with the Cat Mario. So you just need a folder with the files that you want to add in the same root as they appear in the original game. So you just need those 2 things. And when you have both of them, you go to Actions and Create Mod. Here you have this, where you can put the name, let's say Cat Mario, author chapter 6, version 1.1.0, Smatters, Demo 2. I recommend, me personally, I like to put the name of the folder in here, okay? So if you have the version of the game that has this folder this folder name, you can see which version of the game you need to play that mod. Next, we'll select the image, you can see here, and we will select the data folder here, select. It will say the root of the data folder, and create mod file. A little detail is that how you selected the data folder in this save window, you are inside the data folder, so go to the previous folder to not include the mod in the data folder. I don't know if I'm explaining. So you click save, and you will need to wait. This mod is very small, so you don't have to wait a lot, but if you have a mod that adds lots of levels, scripts, more sprites or something like that, you will need to wait a little longer until you see this little window. And now you can install your mod. I have here the mod that we just made, and progress bar, and here we have with all the things that we have included. And also you can change the path. You will go to this screen again, and you will have the select button here for changing the route. If you have any problem installing mods, something like that, you can say it here in the mod discussion in the Discord, because I read every message here. I'm not that talkative, I don't talk a lot, but I read everything. So if anyone has some problem with the Modloader, you can say it here and I'll respond back. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have some fun playing some mods.